بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Lord of the world, who has sent the most let the salvations be upon our Lord Prophet Muhammad. His other companions, they have begun our fathers, mothers, brothers and sisters in Islam, saying once again, Assalamu Alaikum, Warahmotullah, Wabarakaatuh. Our topic for today's sermon is the continuation of our topic since last 2 weeks, which is ethics and rulings on funeral in Islam. As we discussed last week about how to bathe a dead person in Islam, because this religion has been filled with a lot of knowledge. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us a lot of things that will make us handle the goodness of this life and also the hereafter, and which will make us follow the right path, which is the path of Allah and His Messenger. And when we can, if we are able to do that, we will hand Allah's magnificent reward. That is why we have to follow it the way it is not in Islam. It is normal. It is destined for every mankind that we are going to die. Every soul shall taste death. Every soul shall taste death. Since that is confirmed, and that has been believed amongst every mankind, you should all know what's next after we are dead. As a Muslim, Allah and this Islam has laid down every process. When you know someone is dead, back to the process. When you know someone is dead, shroud after the bathing. So the shrouding process is what we have been experiencing. So how you shroud a dead person after the bath? If it is a male has to be shrouded in 3 white clothes. 3 white clothes. Without any inner clothes before, or having a turban in the head. Because that was because we have a narration from Prophet Muhammad, which was related by Aisha radiallahu anha. Because Prophet Muhammad was shrouded with 3 clothes, which is 3 white clothes was used to shroud Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Which there is no other inner clothes. So it means after the person has been bed, you bed that person, what next is to shroud, lay down 3 clothes, very white, which the first one will be used on that person. After that is done very well, you use the second one and follow it with the third one. That is for our male Muslims that are dead. And for female, according to Islam, they have to be shrouded with 5 clothes. As how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has helped them, Allah commanded every of our women to make sure all their body, to be well clothed. They should be well dressed in Islam. What Allah wants them to do when they are alive, that is how we should respect them when they are going to their grave. So they have to be well covered without any space. They have to be well covered without leaving any side open. That is for the female. So Islam has laid down everything which will be able to follow suit the way it is laid down in the Quran and the Sunnah. After that has been done, we should be mindful of not spending extravagantly. Do not go for expensive clothes. Some people, because of their status in the environment or in the community, and maybe their brother or their father, mother died, they will go for an expensive clothes. Be careful. Don't use expensive clothes. Because that expensive clothes is only meant for the people living, not for the person dead. Because the dead person, that clothes you are using on that person will not be useful again in the ground. So don't spend extravagantly. Don't spend unnecessarily. Even though if you can use the clothes available, which the person has worn before, you can use that. Because Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu said to his daughter Aisha radiallahu anha, he told her when he was also on the sick, he was also on the sick bed, which later led to his death. He said to her daughter, wash this cloth for me. After washing it, you have to put it on me after I'm dead and I had 3 other clothes. Aisha asked, this clothes is not useful again, but Abu Bakr insisted that I want you to use this clothes for me. Because new clothes are only meant for the people living, not for the dead people. So, servant of Allah, let's learn from that. And mind you, we don't use coffin for Muslims in Islam. Some people will bury their dead people in the coffin while they dress them putting on suits, while they dress them putting on a shoe. That is not how we should do it in Islam. Everything has been laid down accordingly in Islam, and it is must for every Muslim to follow suit. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide every one of us, grant us every form of goodness in this life and also in the hereafter. Also, Allah. Another thing which I will mention is it is advisable for every Muslim that also want to earn the goodness of this world and also want to be earning more reward from Allah is to also witness the funeral procession. The procession of funeral, always try your very best to witness it. How they prayed upon him, on how he is buried. Because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam narrated from an hadith narrated by Abu Hurairah, he said, whoever witnessed a funeral procession after yusalla alayha, until they prayed upon him, falahu qirat, he has a reward of qirat. وَمَنْ شَهِدَ, and whoever witnessed the funeral procession after adulfan, until it is buried, كَانَ لَهُ قِيرَطَانِ, he has the reward of 2 qirats. Kila, they asked, وَمَا الْقِيرَطَانِ, what is qirat? Ya Rasulullah, Allah's messenger. قال, Prophet Muhammad, like مِثْلُ الْجَبَلَيْنِ الْعَظِمَيْنِ, what I'm saying about qirat is like a very huge 2 mountains. That is the reward of whoever witnessed, prayed upon join people praying upon a certain janaza, follow them till the person is buried. You have 2 qirats of reward, which means your reward is like a very 2 big mountains. So it means it is advisable for every mankind to always witness the funeral procession. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant every one of us good life, longevity, and grant us every form of goodness in this life. Allahumma barik wa barik lana innaka anta as-sami'ul alim.